Managing employees doesn't have to be complicated. With Universell, you can handle everything from one dashboard. First, open your Universell dashboard and log into your account. From the left side menu, go to the Employees section and click on Manage Employees. This is your complete employee management center where you can add, organize, and control your entire team. To add a new employee, click on the Add Employee button. Now enter the employee details like first name, last name, email address, phone number, birthday, position, gender, and hiring date. Assign the employee role. You can choose admin, manager, or employee depending on the level of access you want to provide. Then enter the PIN. You can also customize permissions for CRM access, automation tools, customer management, leads, pipelines, reporting, and more. In the next section, you can store important employee information such as social security number, address, business tax ID, emergency contact details, driving license number. Now let's move to payroll setup. Here you can configure salary details including weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payments. You can also create custom commission structures for your sales team and assign different percentages based on performance. Need to upload documents? No problem. You can upload contracts, profile images, certificates, ID proofs, and other employee files directly into the system. Next is login access and working hours. This feature allows you to control when employees can access the platform. Simply select working days, time slots, and time zones. If no schedule is assigned, the employee can log in anytime. Appointments can only be scheduled during the selected working hours. Once everything is completed, click Add, then Employee is registered on the dashboard. Need to import multiple employees at once? Go to the Import tab. Here you'll find two options: Basic Import and AI Import. With Basic Import, simply upload a CSV file and click Import. Quickly import your employees with just the essential fields. With AI Import, the system intelligently filters and organizes employee data automatically for a faster setup process. You can also integrate chat apps, inventory count apps, customer app and request training by clicking and selecting the date from the Employee Management tab. And that's how easy employee management becomes with Universell.